Hi there, and welcome to the Always Trending Brand Creator Guide. I'm Kyle Fernandez, Managing Director here at AT, and I'm going to guide you through all the sections. We're going to talk through all the necessary steps and processes involved in bringing your brand to life. We'll discuss styles, fabrications, custom dyeing, sourcing trims, labeling, tech packs, sampling, and production. Then we'll summarize all these points and explain how we operate and handle all those steps, allowing you to focus on getting your product out the door. Kick back and relax. You're in the perfect place to learn about what you need to know when looking to create a clothing collection. We're going to take a high-level look at how the textile industry is currently positioned. A large majority of clothing is manufactured in Asia, more specifically China, Sri Lanka, India, and Indonesia. These countries have the skilled workforce to mass manufacture clothing. Their economies are also heavily reliant on the export of the commodity. China is definitely the dominant player across all regions when looking at clothing export quantities. China, I guess, is uniquely positioned as they have the infrastructure to process raw materials and manufacture fabrications. This is their competitive advantage and why so much manufacturing is done there. Here at AT, we mainly manufacture in Sri Lanka and have a robust supply chain in China and Italy. Sri Lanka is widely regarded as the most ethically positioned manufacturing country across the world. We have a team position there as well as in Italy, which allows us to ensure the highest levels of quality and control. Our supply chain is highly ethical. We ensure that every factory we work with is SEDEX registered and obtains SA8000 accreditation. Both these accreditations ensure fair treatment and ethical work conditions for workers in their respective factories. From a sustainability standpoint, our factories always look to leverage solar power where possible. With our fabric mills supplying us fabrications obtaining the Global Organic Textile Standard, the Better Cotton Initiative, or the Global Recycle Standard. We'll share a link for you to have a better look through these standards and accreditations. Now that we have a better understanding of the manufacturing landscape, let's get stuck into styles and fabrications.